Hi, welcome back to another video, and in this video we are going to show you how to do sky glowing editing in Kinemaster. So here you can see, and without wasting any more time, let's get started. So first of all, open Kinemaster application and then open new project and import your video from media option. So here you can see I am importing the video from media option, and then click on the clip and go to adjustment option, and contrast should be 100 plus and highlight should be also 100 plus, and then shadow should be minus 100 and left should be plus 15 or 14. Okay, here you can see, and then simply export your project. Again, open new project and import the video we have exported recently, as you can see, and then click on the clip and go to filter option. Here you can see, and filter option, click on the basic and go to B38 option. Here you can see the red one, and then click on the clip and go to adjustment, and contrast should be 100 plus and left should be 96 or 100 plus something. Here you can see. So guys, click on the layer option and apply Gaussian blur. Here you can see from effect, and then adjust the blur to the full screen, and then the strength of the blur should be 10 plus or 13 plus. Here you can see, and then simply export this project. So guys, now it's time to import the original video from media option. Here I am importing the original video from media option, you can see, and then we will add the exported video from layer option from here, you can see, and then make it to full screen and go to adjustment option, and then we will change the hue from red to the color what you want to be applied on your sky. So here I am changing the color from last option. Yeah, you can see this option. So from here you can change the color to the sky color, and then simply go to blending option and apply screen option. Here you can see, but I wanted to change the color to the reddish or orangish, so this will look like good, you can see. And as you can see, the result is somehow low, but for more glowing we will simply duplicate the layer from here, you can see. And now how is looking the glowing, and yeah, you can see the result. So guys, I hope you learned something from my video. If you really learned something from my video, so please click on the like button and make sure to subscribe.